everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू जो लाती हूँ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टू मेक लाइफ सिंपलर एंड ईजियर। आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं अपना सेकंड पार्ट कैडबरी चॉकलेट्स का और आज मेरे पास 4 चॉकलेट्स हैं। एक है ये कैडबरी डबल डेकर, दूसरी है ये टाइम आउट जो हम सब खा चुके हैं बहुत बारी, तीसरी है कैडबरी की सुंदर कलर में पर्पल कलर में ट्वर्ल और चौथी है वंडर बार। So without any ado, let's begin. We'll start with the most common one जो हमने खाई हुई है पहले. It's time out. It's like a wafer. This is a normal regular wafer chocolate. The wafer is nice and soft. It's not like a जैसे moisture ज़्यादा है wafer में. It's not as crispy as the Nestle chocolates, the Nestle wafers. So it's a little more on the softer side. So that's that. It's 112 calories, so it's the one of the chocolates that have less calories, so you could try that because usually it's 200 plus. The next one on our list is Wonderbar. So a Wonderbar is a peanut butter caramel experience. So if you have a nut allergy, this is a clear no-no. And it has 290 calories, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था. So this is a nice chocolate bar. A lot of caramel, a lot of peanut butter. You can't really the peanut butter is not it's very subtle. This is peanut butter की जो मिठास होती है, that's not there, so you can't feel that extra sweetness, but you can definitely feel the presence of peanut butter in this bar. I'm not a very big fan of these caramel chocolates because they stick to their teeth and it gets really annoying. So anyways, the next one on our list is Cadbury It Works. This is packed like the Twix, so it's competitor of Twix. 2 separate bars, so you can control the intake of chocolate. I'm just looking out for the calorie percentage, but that's okay. But this one has something written in Arabic. Probably it's imported from the UAE. Memories. Anyways, so this is a nice long bar. If you've ever had flake, then this is like a Cadbury version of a flake. But the flake is like more. It doesn't break, so it's never clean. It just falls off everywhere. But this one's a little better version. And for the chocolate, it's a regular Cadbury. In fact, it tastes very similar to flake. Very, very similar. I'm a flake fan, so I like this as well. The last one on our list today is the Cadbury Double Decker. This has a filling. This is a nougat top and crispy bottom in Cadbury milk chocolate. So let's check that out. I like the packing, the combination of the purple and the orange. It's like my lipstick in the book. So you can see this. This is how the bar looks like. So if you see, there's nougat, there's crispies, and there's dairy milk chocolate on top of it. The whole combination is not too sweet. So this is my favorite from these 12, the Wonderbar, the Timeout. This is my favorite for the day. Do let me know in the comments what is your favorite. And until next time, this is your Tech Boo signing off.